dental beshies, it's Dr. Mac again, and today mag-unbox tayo. I want to introduce to you the Smart Air Purifier from Tylr. Ito yung features niya. So meron siyang H13 True HEPA filter from Korea. Meron siyang air quality indicator. Meron siyang efficient filtration up to 99.97%. And also, meron siyang timer setting. Ang pinakagusto ko sa kanya is meron na siyang UV system that actually adds to the purification and sanitation of the air that's circulating inside your clinic or in your house. And it's also good for up to 50 square meters. So itong isang machine na to, good for 50 square meters. And it's very, very affordable. Also, yung parts and service and yung if there's a need for replacement of the filter, available siya sa service center din. So madali lang. Mag-unbox na tayo. So ngayon nakalagay siya sa turbo setting. Kung maririnig nyo, medyo may tunog talaga yung ano. Pero, fresh air. I think ito ay setting ng fan. So pwede mo siyang hinaan hanggang turbo. Tapos ito naka-UVC yung setup niya. Ito timer. Tapos ito yung pang night mode. Ito hindi ko sure kung ano to. Yung UV light. Pag on at off na UV. Okay. So, it's very simple. So, there you have it. Sobrang dali ng pagsiset up ng Tylr Smart Air Purifier. Sobrang dali lang yung i-set up na hindi nyo talaga kailangan mahirapan pa. Well, medyo nahirapan kami dun sa magnet kasi sobrang dikit ng magnet niya. But it's really a good investment for your practice. It's a good investment for your house, for your family safety. And isa pa palang malaking bagay, malaking plus points for me is yung parang possibility na maging 2 years yung warranty. All you just need to do is just to register your unit sa Tylr.com or sa website nila. I'm going to put it here para malaman nyo. So that's it for our unboxing today. I hope everyone is safe. I hope everyone is healthy. And if you like this video, if you find this video very informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. Baka makatulong din tayo sa lahat ng mga gusto ding bumili ng Tylr Smart Air Purifier. So again, practice social distancing and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye, beshies!